FEQUIZ.com. I'm gonna do an example today from free practice exams at FEQUIZ.com. Let me just copy it real quick to my OneNote. The question says, what is the slope of the curve y equal to 9x squared minus 14x minus 3? Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, we're going to just use the quadratic formula minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And then we can use b, it's going to be equal to negative 14, and a is going to be equal to 9. Then of course c is equal to negative 3. Now we can just plug in the values in our equation, not equation but formula, and we can find the roots. Sometimes there are none, sometimes there is one, sometimes there are two, but because we have a square equation, it's going to be positive and negative. Okay, so after we plug in the values, we can have 14 plus or minus square root of 14 square minus 4 times 9 times negative 3, which is going to come to 14 plus or minus square root of 196 plus 1 weights over 18. So that can be simplified further to 14 plus or minus 4 square root of 19 over 18. Okay, if we can have x, it's gonna be equal to if we start with smaller value, it's gonna be and negative 0. Let's see, it's gonna be 191. And then it's gonna be positive 1.746. So basically we're interested in the positive root because the question said when it's crossed the positive part of the x-axis. So let's just sketch it here and see how the graph is gonna be look. Since a is positive, it's gonna be concave up. So if we just try to fit in like a sketch and not that, we just come closer to because it's close to 0, then it's close to 2. It's 1.7, almost 2. We're interested in the slope, the tangent line. So as it's crossed, we have a tangent line. We need to find that. So it's gonna we take first the derivative. It's gonna be y prime equal to negative. It's equal to 18x minus 14. And when we just plug in the root that we find, positive root that is, and it should give us a number listed in the answers. I believe it's gonna be 17.4. yeah, first answer. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a good one.